Relational database. So what is mean by relational database? Now already we know what is mean by database. So database is nothing but a collection of tables which is having the data in a organizational format. That means database is nothing but a storage location in that the data is organized in a easy way. That means so that we can perform the operation very easily over that data, right? So now we have relational database. So relational database is a type of database. It uses structure. It uses a structure that allows us to identify and access the data in a relation to another piece of the data in the database. So often the data in the relational database is organized into tables. So relational database is nothing but it provides a structure. Relational database provides a structure. That structure is called as table. So whatever the data you want to put in the database, that all the data to be presented in the form of a table, right? Now this table is having what? The table will have rows. Table will have rows, and it also have columns. Yes. Now, so in this we have a student table like student number, student name like Aadhaar number, and say class, right? Now number 1 student, number 2, number 3, and the student name A, B, C, right? Some other number, say, right? Now some class, MPC, BPC, HEC, MPC. Okay. Now, in the relational database, whatever the rows we have, those all rows are called as record. So, those all rows are called as what? Records. And whatever the columns you have, those are all called as attributes. So, those are called as attributes, right? Now, these column names also there like student number, name, other number and class also have data types. So already in the last class I explained you what is mean by data type. Data type is nothing but a type of data to be stored in a variable. So student number is of which type? Here student number consists of what? Number. So it is of integer. So this name consists of characters. So other consists of numbers. So I say integer. So class consists of character. So we have a character. So that means in the relational database, the data is stored in the form of a structure. That structure we call it as a table. Table consists of columns and rows. Now see here. Tables consist of rows and columns. So tables can have thousands of rows, sometimes called as millions of rows. Those rows are often called as records. Tables can also have many columns of data. Column names are labeled with the descriptive name. That means for every column there is a name to be set properly. For name we cannot give Aadhaar number. For Aadhaar number we cannot give as a phone number. Why? Because attribute column name represents the data into that. That means what type of data, what data is there in the column is represented in the name of the column only. So your column name should be in a proper manner. Next, for example, column name called age may have a type of integer. That means age is nothing but 40 years, 20 years, 18 years. It is of numbers. So numbers can be represented in the DBMS as the integers. Clear? So this is an example for the table. Relational database, store, product and sample fact. So in this column names are store key, city, region, product key, description, brand, and this is a relation between these three tables. It shows a relation between this table and it shows a relation between this table. Clear? This is about relational database.